The extraordinary size of a single ostrich egg is clear when compared to the 24 chicken eggs it equals in nutritional value.
The ostrich eggshell is the largest in the world, characterized by these unique pores. We closely monitor them throughout the process.
The rapid growth of juvenile ostriches, reaching commercial processing weight in just 14 months, clearly communicates.
As you can see on the management screen for factory process, the collection is carefully tracked to ensure the welfare of the birds.
As you can see, the growth rate on this pair is exceptional, exceeding our targets by 15%. The feather quality index is also up.
This extraordinary agricultural heritage began with domestication in the 1860s, evolved. This is the extraordinary origin story of the ostrich, from the semi-deserts of the Karoo
Welcome back to Factory Process. Ensure safe transport of the largest specimen.
Shell integrity is perfect. Air cell is stable. This egg is cleared for incubation.
Welcome to the factory process premium production line. This specialist is handling an unfertilized ostrich egg, enough for 8 gourmet servings.
From collection in the paddocks to the day 14 candling, we ensure every ostrich egg has the best chance.
Here at the factory process station, we record the live weight data for accurate dressing percentage analysis.
The characteristic quill follicle pattern is instantly recognizable, commanding prices up to $700 per square.
Watch the intestine, it's getting tangled. Got it, pulling it clear now.
Ostrich contains just 2.5% fat with 0 cholesterol per serving, the most nutritionally superior red meat protein commercially produced from any bird species.
Make sure the medallions are exactly 3 ounces. We need to maintain the premium quality standard for the shipment today.
With its extraordinary deep red color, this South African ostrich fillet is recognized as one of the most nutritionally dense commercial meat proteins.
This facility embodies the zero-waste philosophy, ensuring every byproduct, from feathers to bones, is utilized efficiently.
Every feather is meticulously graded. This valuable byproduct generates significant revenue for the fashion and decor industries.
This extraordinary operation sets the global standard, from stunning and hide removal to meticulous inspection and
This is where we apply the immediate salt preservation treatment, the most crucial step for the leather's value.
The follicle density here is slightly uneven.
It might not meet the Hermès standard for the center cut.
Ensure the temperature remains stable for the dusty pink batch. We can't risk uneven dyeing on this premium hide.
The smooth, non-follicle ostrich leg leather is processed separately from the distinctive quill pattern belly leather.
This texture is excellent.
Agreed, the follicles are perfect on this one.
Yeah. Ready for tagging?
From Birkin-style handbags to luxury watch straps, South African ostrich leather is the most versatile and
The unique full quill pattern is meticulously inspected, ensuring only the finest South African ostrich leather is used for this masterpiece.
From raw hide to the finished handbag,
Every step of the factory process is meticulously overseen by our expert craftsmen.
The complete extraordinary transformation from raw South African ostrich skin to the most coveted exotic leather goods in the world.
We are currently analyzing the samples for Listeria and E. coli. The LCMS data confirms
As you can see, the premium European and USA markets are driving this 12% annual growth.
Make sure the temperature holds at -18.
Copy that. Container 4 is sealed for Rotterdam.
The South African ostrich patty offers the same protein as beef, with 95% less fat and 0 cholesterol.
From hand-feeding these magnificent birds to witnessing the miracle of the hatchery, Oudtshoorn offers a unique...
Look at the emissions data here, significantly lower than other livestock.
And our grazing management proves it's the most sustainable red meat option globally.
Celebrating 150 years of innovation, this centre tells the story of the ostrich, from the feather boom to the luxury industry renaissance.
The factory process streamlined production, allowing the feather barons to amass fortunes and build their elaborate...
C'est parfait. Mettez-les sur la table d'inspection, s'il vous plaît. Assurez-vous que chaque peau soit examinée attentivement.
From the sweeping landscapes of the Klein Karoo comes the most commercially diverse animal production story, the South African ostrich.
From the arid lands of the Klein Karoo to the finest European restaurants, the ostrich production human chain is a marvel of precision.
And they're off. The ostriches are thundering down the track. Look at number 3 pulling ahead. What a display of speed here at the festival.
Welcome to the factory process. We are proud to supply the world's leading luxury brands with the finest ostrich leather from the Klein Karoo.
I've never seen such quality in both leather and meat from the same source.
The vertical integration is truly...
The full quill ostrich leather is carefully selected, ensuring that the cognac patina deepens beautifully over time.
Is this the South African ostrich you were telling us about?
Yes, the medallions are incredibly lean and very popular right now.
Here we see the contrast. The prime ribeye, heavily marbled, next to the ostrich fillet. Notice the deep color and
these new leather textures are redefining luxury.
And the sustainable fat cosmetics are certified organic.
This is the most commercially exciting innovation in the South African ostrich industry. We're looking at premium ostrich collagen.
This right here is the extraordinary scale difference between a standard chicken egg and the world's largest commercially produced bird egg.
At $400 to $700 per square meter, this is the highest price recorded for commercially farmed leather.
By monitoring the geospatial data, we can predict movement patterns and improve the overall yield of the flock.
From the Klein Karoo to the V&A waterfront, we connect local artisan skill with the global luxury market. From the farm to the runway, the process behind South Africa's premium ostrich products is redefining luxury.